Dawki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan ra ashapi dak Orange Nissan Looms Hope Ho near Fire Brigade Shillong, ringkat bat ka M Crown Hotel Khyndew Shillong, ka 3 Olives Restaurant, bala play nakbentaban Shakriya P, hapo ka jingada jong ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, ringkat ka Cosmic Kingdom, ka Jakai lekai bapaw ha Shillong, bala yada na ka Bio Bubble Antivirus Coating, bala le da ka Meva Enterprise.
Hakabay day pat kajing penhe ya ka surok ba Dawki Shillong usembut menteri rang ba kejelau ba presiden tensang ulaong ba da kumno jan hinyo pho nak sispa la de penbek hakaliang jong kajing shim ya jaka putana bentakani uba presiden tensang ulai thu shushu ba ki deputy commissioner jong ka East Khasils district bat ka West Giant Hills district kidang yai Trai Shai khnang bakat on dakut uni ubnai banengkong jong usnem arajar arpway on la ban Siew Bailutksan Trai jaka haduk kumba prapo nagishispa AA
Jaika project Shillong Dawki route. I'm telling you, I'm happy to inform that land compensation has been cleared not less than 60% now. The land compensation has been cleared for not less than 60%, and the Deputy Commissioner East Khasils as well as the Deputy Commissioner of Juai West Giant Hills, they are on the job, and I'm sure maybe by the end of this month we will be able to clear the compensation reimbursement to those concerned landowners up to 75 or 80%.
Hakabay day pat kajingking Dwarksoj usembut menteri rang ba kejelau ba presiden tensang ulaong ba ka snat trekam surak Border Roads Organization kalaya Shahmat katkum kajingyo jingtip na kajingle jingo jong additional chief secretary uba DP Walang bat ka kenhon jong u usembut menteri rang ba kejelau lapan pauru kajing kermen rengkat kemensiam Bashirhem bala kumno on dalakut uni ubnai kelalengkot arjar arpawai on salak biang ban penon kampura ya kajingking Dwarksoj.
The BRO is on the job, and then yesterday or the first day or additional chief secretary Mr. DP Walang in charge of PUD along with his team, they visited this place, and the concreting starts. I think maybe by 13 or 14 of this month they will lay that steel. They will lay that steel. And I am sure before the end of this month, say up to 31st of January, we'll be able to utilize that bridge for the months to come. Of January, I am sure we will be able to make that bridge operationalized.